Hello friends, Suprabhat and wishing you very happy International Yoga Day. So in this video, I'll be going to share with you and explain you and demonstrate you few yoga postures very important for trainers as well as for the learners. So if you are conducting a training session, one of the very much important thing that the deepness of the voice. More deep is your voice, that give you the authenticity while you speak in the session, and that gives you the confidence in your voice. Another important thing, there are few yoga postures which are very much important when it comes to the right pronunciation. So if you have participants in your session, those who are not able to pronunciate properly, if they practice this yoga which I will be sharing with you now, they will be going to see good improvement into their pronunciation. Okay, so let me tell you first what are these yogas. So yoga number one, remember always, this yoga is very much important, which improves the clarity of the voice. So when you speak, there should be a clarity of the voice, so your participants or the learners should understand whatever you are speaking, whatever you are explaining them. And the same thing applies for your learners also. If you have participants in your class, those who are unable to pronunciate properly, and there is a improvement for their clarity of the voice, this is very useful. So number one, sit in the Padmasana like I am sitting here, and the important thing here, just touch your this neck, this part of the neck, and you will see whenever you make a voice like this, you will feel the vibration in your fingers in your palm. So remember here what exactly you need to do. This signifies the vocal box. So this is the area where your vocal box is there, which generate the voice. So when it comes to generating the voice, the clarity and the openness of this vocal box is very much important. And now this yoga will very helpful, will be helpful in terms of increasing the clarity of the voice. So let me do it and you can also follow it. Sit like this and take your tongue completely out like I am doing it right now. And then what you need to do, you need to rotate your tongue clockwise and anti-clockwise like I am doing it for you. This is clockwise, and then you can do it for the anti-clockwise and clockwise also. Make sure here that your buccal cavity, your mouth is completely open, and the voice is coming from the joint where your tongue is ending at this joint with the last one. So this is what the very much important exercise in the yoga. But remember here always that nothing will going to help if you do it for 1 or 2 days. The consistency is really very much important, and do it for the consistently for more than a month, so that you will see good improvement. So this was yoga number one. Now I am talking to you about yoga number two. The yoga number two is called the Bhramari, and which is very famous in all the yoga postures. So Bhramari is basically the first step of meditation. People, those who do Bhramari, they will be able to go into the meditation, deep meditation over a period of time if they do it on the consistent basis. So what happens in the Bhramari? So in the Bhramari, there is a pronunciation of Om. So how do we pronunciate Om? So let me share with you the three important things about Om. Om, that letter consists of three parts. One is called O, A, and then Ma. So that I'll do it for you. So you might have seen there is a first, it is coming like A, then O, and then Ma. So what is important here when it comes to your vocal box, that ma part is very much important, and you need to stretch and put the concentration on the ma. So how this Bhramari should be done? See these two thumbs, you need to put it in your ears so that there should not be any disturbance of the surrounding noise. and then these three fingers should be there on your eyes. Cover your eyes with the three finger and keep this index finger on your forehead. Now I am doing it for you. So friends, I believe that you would have learned about two important exercises. Number one is the vocal box exercise, where you move your tongue clockwise and anti-clockwise. Number two is a Bhramari, where you pronunciate the Om and you see that you put more concentration on Ma. So my request to you, if you did not subscribe to the channel, please subscribe the channel so that you will get lot of other videos very much important for a trainer's perspective. So now I'll be going to share with you the third important yoga. So this third important yoga is called Singhasan. So when it comes to Singhasan, you need to change your posture. So I am now changing my posture here. So this should be your posture. Sit like this, and make sure that you are in front of you change this posture like this, and make your hands like this. So when you do like this, make your hands like this, and then the important thing is look in front of you, look at forward, and make sure that you completely keep your throat, keep your neck straight like this, and you make a noise. And how you make a noise? Like a lion is making a noise. Okay, so I am doing it for you. So you might be feeling little the otherwise one, but this is very much important yoga when you practice and when you do it on the regular basis. So do it for at least 10 times in the morning. And when you do it completely, then again sit in the proper posture in the Padmasana like this, and again the very much important yoga. Close your eyes, sit cool and calm, and just experience the nature. So when I say experience the nature, just understand, close your eyes and go into the nature. Just feel the kind of noises, kind of voices are there in your surroundings. Like there is a voice of the crow, birds are humming over there, and there is some other different type of voices are there. Just feel that. So what does it mean? It means that you are in the present moment. So whenever you are having different thoughts in the mind, just close your eyes, sit in the meditation, and just concentrate what is going on in your surroundings. The different type of voices are there. Okay, so while you are doing this, make sure there should not be any thought. No thought of your company, no thought of your family, no thought of your friends, or any problem or any issues which are going on with you. And just concentrate on the surroundings in the nature. So friends, we discussed about the 3-4 important yogas, very much important for a trainer perspective. Make sure whenever you are conducting a session, you make sure that your participants also do this, and it will be very, very helpful for you as well as for your learners. Thank you so much for this. Wishing you once again very happy yoga day. I would request every one of you, please subscribe to the channel and hit on the bell button so that you get all the notifications. Thank you so much. Keep watching my videos.